Alrighty, tubers, just trying to keep you guys updated on this truck. This is my 93 or 92 on the door, 93 on paper, Toyota pickup. What we're doing today, we're taking the locked hubs off the truck and we're putting lockable hubs or manual locking hubs on. So what this truck has on it, it's got a vacuum line up front. It's in here. You can see the vacuum lines right there. They go to the front, kind of near the front differential, and there's a piece that will lock in and make the front end four-wheel drive, and then when you take it out of four-wheel drive, it'll unlock that. But mine doesn't work. I've looked into it. This part here is a part of that, but what happened with mine, it locks in and doesn't unlock unless you take those vacuum lines off, switch them, put them back on. So what I'm going to end up doing is just making it a solid axle. I'll be switching those vacuum lines back over, making sure the front end locks, and then I'll make that a permanent fixture so it stays locked like that. I'd much rather have a manual locking hub, just for the fact of I know when it's locked and I know when it's not locked. So take that guy off. This guy will slide off now. Now there's a nut, a washer, and then this cone piece. That's how it'll be going back on with as well. But those cone pieces are really hard to get off. You can hit right here, not too much. You don't want to bend it out, or bend it in rather in this case. You can tap it there. I found good luck with grabbing a pair of vice grips, and in them there's a little slot, and if you're grabbing it, let's see, let me set it down, pull this guy off all the way. If you're grabbing it and there's the slot, if you grab it on this side of the slot and twist it that way, or grab it on this side and twist it that way, I've had good luck pulling them off. On this side, I still had to hit the that housing on 2 or 3 of them that were really stuck, but the rest of them came off with a pair of vice grips, putting them on just tight enough to where pulling on it and twisting, it was able to get them off. So you can see with having that hub off, that permanent locked hub, that centerpiece spins freely now. With this on, there's splines. It directly connects it from this to the outer, which just locks it in all the time. Now, this guy, if you guys don't know how lockers work, I'll pull it apart really quick. I'm going to see if I can keep this video under 10 minutes, just as a quick how-to. Nope, wrong way. I don't have my tripod today. I'm not sure what happened to it. So this guy's going to come off. Pull these guys out one by one. So this video is going to get uploaded raw. It's going to be just the way you see it. It's how I'm filming it. So these have been freshly rebuilt. I bought them from a husband and wife that love their Toyota pickups, which is awesome. But so what happens with this guy is this guy is going to go on. There are tabs there. There's tabs here. Those tabs will match up. See, and it doesn't want to go on. You're going to spin the hub just a little bit. Get those splines to match up. Oh, this is hard to do with one hand. There we go. Sorry about that. I do apologize for the shaky camera, but how this works is with this on, you're going to be around the splines. I'm going to be putting this guy back in there. But you can see that is unlocked still. What this does is when you twist this from free to lock, it lowers these, or it lowers this piece down. All right. Let's not get interrupted again. Let's not get rudely shut off. My camera got too hot. Doing 4K for this video, trying it out, and it got a little hot. It's been sitting in the sun. I said overheated and shut off, but or shut the camera off rather. And then we had a package guy come. So anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna steal that gasket, put it on here. It's already done. Another thing I was going to cover is clocking these covers correctly to the housing. Now when you're pulling them off, sometimes you might move one or whatever. You go to put it back on like I did a minute ago, and it was off a full turn. So when I would go to lock, it was only going to there to lock, and it was working. But then when I'd go to free, it was only going halfway. It's still staying locked. You turn, oh, it's free right now, but it was staying locked still. But what you need to do is just pull out slightly on it, go one full rotation, and you should be able to go from a full free. There you go, there's free. Put 2 of these in here so I don't have to hold it. All right, should be able to go free, no turning, and then be able to lock, and it'll lock and be able to turn the CV axles. Go back to free. Ugh. One more click, there we go. Make sure those arrows are pointing right at each other. Make sure it's all the way unlocked. And as you can see, I'm spinning this, and I got no movement. So that's what we're looking for. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just trying to keep you guys updated on the truck. We'll let you know what's going on. I'm trying to get it ready to go do some off-roading here, not this weekend, but the weekend after. I'm going to be hitting some serious trails, trying it out, giving it what for, seeing what it's capable of, you know, pushing it a little bit, stuff that I've never done before, light rock crawling type stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be installing my new springs next. I will hopefully make a video of that. My springs, as you can see, are shot. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, they're straight. That is a straight spring. It's completely shot. So I'm going to be replacing those next with those guys over there. I got some used springs that were really never used for any weight, and put some helper or add-a-leafs in there to bring them up a little bit more. I'm going to give the truck just a little bit of a lift. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later, tubers.